just brewed up some of the Lavazza coffee here in Totoro with my 4 Siggy, and I have my creamy coconut candle from Tuscany Candle burning in the background, and the smell in here right now is like, you know when you go on vacation to like the Dominican and they always have really nice coffee in the hotel resort and everything's kind of beachy and coconut? That is the scent of my apartment right now. It is wonderful. So you can recreate a resort experience in your own home just by making coffee and lighting a candle. But anyways, speaking of resort and summer fun, here, let me put my coffee over here before we have an accident. My FabFitFun box came. I am always the last one to get my box. I think you can sign up for like some sort of special version of the box and get it a little bit earlier. But yeah, I love getting this. It's a seasonal subscription box. If you're not familiar with it, it comes once a season, and you get a ton of fun lifestyle products and sometimes there's skincare, and they notify you a few weeks in advance before they put them together, and you can go in and pick certain things, so that's nice. That way you don't end up getting a lot of stuff that you don't want. And in honor of the box, I'm wearing the little pearl ring that I got in my very first FabFitFun box. I still wear this all the time. It's like a faux pearl ring. But yeah, I love getting it. This is not sponsored. I buy this myself. So I just enjoy opening it up. And you guys always seem to enjoy the videos where I open it up. So that's what we're doing. And first up, we have our little magazine that always comes with Eva Longoria. She looks happy and unchanged since her, let me reach over here, my friend. Since her days on Desperate Housewives. I never really got into that show too much, but the gal who played Lynette is in a Netflix a new show that I watched on Netflix. I just saw the first episode of. It's called The Way They See Us, I think. It's pretty good, but I despise her character in that show. Her character is awful, at least in the first episode. I mean, I can't imagine she's going to become more likable. But anyways, they give you a little magazine here that's probably got, it kind of like talks about the designers of some of the stuff probably. And oh cool, summer to-do list. And then they always send you like little emails and stuff that have fun recipes and workouts and that kind of thing. So I really enjoyed it. I think this is my second year with this box. It was Brittany Bourne Leach who got me sucked into this. Watching her videos, I was like, I need that box. So if you're watching this, Brittany, I know she is. She's the one who inspired me to get it. Family, friends, sun, sea, and FabFitFun. You deserve some summer fun. Cool. And then there's a HelloFresh gift card in here, which I don't use HelloFresh because I don't think they have vegan options. But I know it's popular, so if you like it, get a coupon. Ooh, they did a really nice job assembling everything. I'll just show you. I enjoy those ASMR videos where there's crinkling of paper. I think that's the most relaxing sound. Like plastics opening up or paper crinkling. I enjoy that sound. So I'll try to talk in a very soft voice. All right, I can't talk in a soft voice for long. My enthusiasm is too high. First of all, we got a towel. This is handy because, you know, I'm going to try and use my pools. I say that like I have all these pools. My apartment complex has 3 pools. That's a lot. And I never use them. I'm going to try and use them more. And this is a really pretty towel that came. It is by Vicks Paul Hermani. It is a 59-inch towel. And it's got a pretty like teal and brown color. I like that color combination. Cool, definitely will use that. I think that was one of the things that I was able to choose. All right, and I definitely chose this. It is a Kula sunscreen. They have sunscreens. They had a Kula sunscreen last year. This is a different one. It's a makeup setting spray. I don't wear makeup, as you guys know. You're always asking me if I can go over makeup ingredients, and honestly, I don't have a magic makeup ingredient list. They all can cause problems, but the makeup setting sprays are also really popular to like fix your makeup, and you guys are always curious about using something like this to reapply sunscreen because this is an SPF 30. The problem with this is it doesn't reliably get the sunscreen all over your face in an even layer as you need, but it's better than nothing. The other problem with this is that these can be really drying on the skin. The first ingredient in this is alcohol, which is not bad, it's just very drying. So I think that could be a problem, but you might want that drying aspect for your makeup to stay on, particularly in the humidity and the heat. So there's that, but yeah, I would imagine that this is probably pretty drying. It also has sunflower seed oil in it, which is fine. Oh no bueno, they put orange citrus in it. Why did they do that? Not good. Yeah, citrus is bad in sunscreens. Citrus oils can degrade and cause irritation. They combine with your sweat and with your makeup, which is what you're using this for, around the pore opening. They can lead to acne-like rashes, and when they interact with sunlight, they further degrade, they oxidize, and that can cause photoirritant rashes. So you get rashes in areas exposed to sunlight with the combination of that. So yeah, not good. And actually, it sounds like it's jingling around in there. Let's open it up. Oh, there's a ball. It's like, did it break? But there's a ball inside of it. Cool. I'm going to spray a little on my hand here. Yeah, it has kind of a citrusy scent to it. All right. Drinking this Lavazza coffee, I really do feel like I'm on vacation right now. All right, and then the next thing we have is what looks like a little pouch here. Oh, great, we got some jewelry. I'm gonna come up to the viewfinder so you guys can see. And the name is Jennifer something jewelry. I can't read backwards. Jennifer is Junior Jewelry. It's a star necklace. Oh, great. We also got Invisibobbies. These are handy for pulling your hair back. Have you guys ever used them? In fact, I think I might pull one out here now. Yeah, they're really handy, and apparently you can get them to go back to their original shape by putting them under a dryer, I think. But they're really nice. They don't snag your hair or anything, and they have a good hold to them. So, yeah. And then like when you pull them out, it doesn't pull your hair, so that's nice. All right, and the next item that we got is Generation Clay. Okay, a brightening purple clay mask. Yeah, not only does this have ylang ylang, it's also got citrus, sweet orange, lime, mandarin essential oil, cedarwood bark oil. Whenever you see all those essential oils, I mean, that is fragrance, that is perfume. And people will argue in the comments that certain types of essential oils aren't fragrance. They still have compounds like limonene, geraniol, linalool. Those are sensitizing agents. So definitely, just because it's been processed a certain way, it doesn't mean that it's without those. And that's what I'm referring to when I say fragrance. I'm saying it's kind of a catch-all term for that, for a bag of irritants like linalool, limonene, geraniol, oak moss, absolute. So you will find that in all of these kinds of essential oils. But the kaolin and the bentonite clay, that's what's going to help mop up sebum and oil in the clay masks. But you can get that with the Aztec Healing Mask. anyways, yeah, I mean, and the outcome is really transient of decreasing oil. It's not like you're going to alter the physiology of your face by doing them, and they can be dry and irritating. So, I mean, it's like, honestly, I mean, unless you enjoy it, I see skip. It's not really worth it. Okay. And then what else do we have in here? Oh, this is cute. These indigo tie-dye bowls. I think I requested these. They're a set of nesting bowls. How pretty. Okay, I'm going to take these out of the box. They're by West Elm. This is a perfect size, though, for oatmeal in the morning. And then the little ones, you can put the toppings in separately and sprinkle them on. That I really like. My hair is brought to you by the city of Houston this morning. I think we're at like a 60% dew factor today, so it's moist. And my hair is feeling a little octopus's garden, if you will. Okay. And then next up we got the Skin & Co. Oh, it's a cleansing oil. Cool. I love cleansing oils. This is, does this have truffle oil in it? Oh my god. Isn't that like for your popcorn? Okay, this is Skin & Co. Therapy Cleansing Oil. Made in Italy. This actually, oh, it has musk rose. This does have fragrance, but the idea behind this is that you're going to put this on, massage it in, it will help break up your makeup, and then you wash it off with a face wash. So the fragrance in this is not ideal, but at least you're washing it off in that case. So I probably will give this a try. I love cleansing oils and cleansing balms, but you don't have to get fancy or exotic. Albaline is a great cleansing balm. No fragrance, no gimmicky ingredients, works great, and is super cheap. You can get it at Walmart. Very good choice. Or you can go into Sephora and see 900 different cleansing balms and be enticed to pay $75 for a cleansing balm that has nothing more than Albaline does except for fragrance. So it's like, you know, you're kind of just wasting your money. Or, you know, a jazzy packaging. Okay, and then we also got a Wish exfoliating foot mask. Okay, I might be interested to give this a try. It has citrus in it, so it's got fragrance, but it's got, what's the active ingredient? Oh, it's salicylic acid. Honestly, guys, just use Carousel. Carousel is the salicylic acid foot ointment that I use. It's fragrance free. You get it over in the section where you buy stuff to put on warts and whatnot. So it's not in like the beauty or skincare section. It's over kind of in the like foot orthotic corn pad section. Real sexy. The corn pad section. Yeah, that stuff is awesome. And I recommend that over this. But I probably will give this a try. Oh, and it's got the leaping bunny on it. Cool. So yeah, it's got, aside from the fragrance, which, you know, I always tell you guys to stay away from, it seems like it might soften the skin and leave them scented. And then last we got a bottle of perfume, aka a rose facial spray. I detest these rose facial sprays. They're nothing but perfume, and spraying them on the face, again, the mixture of the fragrance ingredients with the oil on your skin around the pore opening can lead to irritant and allergic contact dermatitis, as well as flares of acne. And I mean, rose is an ingredient in perfumes. I mean, like Chanel probably puts some derivative of rose into their fragrances. And so this is really just perfume, and rose as an active ingredient for your skin, it's not evidence-based to do anything. So like, you're just exposing yourself to something that is by and large known to cause harm. And then spraying water on your face, if there's no occlusive moisturizing component, that water just evaporates, and as it does, it pulls water out of your skin. So the sprays, the Mario Badescu sprays, I don't get why they're so popular, and I don't recommend them. I don't think they're good. I kind of want to try this, like now, the exfoliating foot mask. It says you're supposed to put it on your feet and then go to bed that way and wash your feet off in the morning. So I kind of want to try it. So that's the summer box. Pretty exciting. I'm happy with the bowls, the towel, the jewelry. I'll give the cleansing oil a whirl. Glad to have the Invisibobbies. And I'm definitely going to try the foot mask, but I will probably use the rose spray maybe on my like to freshen up scents in my car or something. Or not in my car. You know what? I'll spray this in my hall closet, like as an air freshener in my shoe closet. You know, it's kind of freshen things up in there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy actually with everything that I got. Oh, aside from the clay mask, I'll probably donate that. I don't do these clay masks, so I'll donate that. Probably 2/3 of everything that comes in these boxes I solidly use and wear. I really do the lifestyle stuff way more than like the skincare. So, you know, there's that. But I definitely use about 2/3 of everything that comes in the box. What I don't use, I donate or, you know, gift to people. So I think it's definitely worth it. Again, this video is not sponsored. I got sucked into the FabFitFun box thanks to Brittany Boren-Leach. So if you want to get sucked in, check the link in the description box. I think I have a coupon code too to save you off of your first box. I think. If I do, it's there. So look there. But anyways, guys, I hope you all are having a fantastic Saturday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.